Hello Scouts, it's Mr. Kugler, and today we're going to go over my 5 gift ideas for a scout or even a scouter. Things that you may want to ask for as a gift for that upcoming birthday or holiday. And they're all things that you can use not only in your activities as a scout, but also outside of scouting and for years after scouting as you become an adult and hopefully carry on and enjoy a lot of the outside activities that you've experienced in scouting. So our first idea as a gift for a scout would be a pie iron. I prefer the cast iron pie irons. This is a square. They also make them in round. And what is neat about these is that they open up and you could put 2 slices of bread or some biscuits or some pie crust and some great fillings, whether it be for a toasted cheese sandwich or maybe a chocolate eclair dessert or something as simple as a fruit pie. Probably the best idea for a scout would be this square version. And this is unseasoned. They do need to be seasoned. They're cast iron. And they are great for a scout. They're used over a campfire, over some coals. And they're a great, inexpensive, under $20 type gift for a scout. So our second gift idea for a scout are these great little wood-burning lightweight stoves, and these seem to be all the rage. There's all different styles and types. This one here, although this one is stainless steel, they make a titanium one. These all break down and are small. This one here has a door that opens so that you could put the fuel in on the grate that's there, and it has a grate that you can either cook a small item of food or put a pot on top of. And then this one here that has a diffuser but also can cook separately, rests a pot. And like I mentioned, they all break down. There's all kinds of different models that are out there that are great. This is stainless steel, a little heavier for backpacking, but certainly this smaller one would be perfect in a backpack. You're not going to be cooking for a whole patrol with these, although you certainly could boil enough water on these stoves here, these 2 here, for some dehydrated meals for a couple scouts. But these are great ideas for backpacking. With the bushcraft movement, there's all kinds of great choices that are out there. Some, like this one that has a plate that fits in the middle here, that will hold a spirit stove, a professionally made one. And then there are other ones out there that are large and small and incorporate even butane burners within them. So I'm going to take a moment and I'll break these down and show you how quickly they disassemble. So our second gift idea is these great little compact stoves for on the trail burning sticks and other small debris. So our third gift idea for a scout is a reflector oven. And there's certainly several that are commercially available that you can buy online or through different outfitters or suppliers. These are great because they're lightweight and collapsible. They can be put in a backpack or on a canoeing trip. And they work by putting the reflector oven near a fire. This rack in here, these rods support a pan or another type of rack that you can bake on. Pizza screens work great in these. If you check out some of the other reflector oven videos that I have, you can see this actual one in use. But this one is by Old Scout Outdoor Products. It is, I think, with shipping around $75 while we're filming. It comes with a bag, a carabiner to be able to hold the little pins that hold it together. And it's a great little choice. Packs up in this canvas bag and comes with the directions. And I'll show you how simple it comes apart. Then all these clips just simply go on this carabiner. Then the whole thing just packages up in this nice canvas bag. And you're ready for your next adventure. Reflector oven cooking around the campfire. Number 4 on our list are these great lightweight backpacking stoves. Now these are awesome for a scout that wants to be able to do a dehydrated meal or perhaps make some hot chocolate or something on the trail. They're lightweight, they're fueled by butane. There's 2 different style canisters. Most of them will take this style canister. And there's great options out there on the internet. I don't think anything on this table individually costs more than $75. So it's a great gift idea for a scout. One of the things you want to be careful when picking a stove is something that's going to be safe and is going to be stable. The scout certainly has to worry about having the stove set up in such a way that the tank is on a nice firm surface and it's not prone to flip over or tip over and spill that boiling hot water that they're making or that pot that they have on top. The other thing to be concerned with is the pot or whatever they're placing on top is not too large for the style burner they have. Certainly, they all have different style widths or diameters on the base of the stove. This style here is bigger than these smaller ones. Another great gadget to have is this base here, which is universal for this style tank and the smaller style that they make similar to this style. This stabilizer folds up nicely and is a great addition to any of these tanks. The other thing to look for is the style fuel canister. So this one here takes and has this style tank like this. This style is a little less expensive, this fuel canister, than the traditional style. This stove folds up nicely and even comes with a little carrying bag to be able to carry it in. Most of these that fit on top of these tanks like this unscrew and fit inside a little carrying container. Even this style here takes and folds up and disconnects from the tank and fits in this nice little storage bag. Another thing that I could do is I could take this adapter and screw it into the fitting here. And now I can take and fuel it from one of these other style canisters. So here's a great gift idea for your scout who likes backpacking or simply likes to be able to heat up some water on a camping trip, or even with some of these larger base stoves, be able to cook a small meal. Rounding out, number 5 is probably my favorite gift idea for a scout, and that's a cast iron Dutch oven. And if you're a scout and you're going to get your own cast iron Dutch oven, why not get one that has the Boy Scout symbol right on the front? This cast iron Dutch oven with the Scout symbol on the front from Lodge is a 6-quart cast iron Dutch oven. Probably the best size Dutch oven, general purpose Dutch oven to have if you're going to have just one Dutch oven, if you only want one Dutch oven. But certainly this is a great gift choice for a Scout. It will last a lifetime and be passed down to future generations. And if you're going to go out and get your Scout a cast iron Dutch oven, why not go out and get them a lid lifter that really takes and grips on and holds that lid and makes it safe and prevents ash from going in the fire, and can also be used at the same time to spin the Dutch oven. So my number 5 choice is a cast iron Dutch oven as an excellent gift for a Scout or even a Scouter. So I hope you enjoyed these different gift ideas. Certainly there are many variations and different models of the different items, and I don't mean to be here to pitch one brand over another, but certainly think about those great gift ideas that can be used by your Scout or Scouter, not only while they're in Scouts, but at home with the family, or after when they've graduated on from Scouting and moved on in life, to be able to continue those skills that they so enjoyed and learned while they were in Scouts. So regardless of the gift that your Scout ends up with, I hope your Scout is out there cooking and enjoying the great outdoors and having fun with the family and with their fellow Scouts.